How many hours are actually worked by each member? Have you ever wondered that in a given time range? You know, if you're T&M, if you're working on some T&M projects, or you are managed services, they're still recording hours. Technicians are still recording hours. And here we have under operations, we have hours worked by member. And you see in the blue we have the total. We have the total here, but of course we have actual versus billable. So, you know, whether it's marked in ConnectWise as billable or not, it'll actually display it. You could choose the date range here, and of course it has the rolling feature. So if you wanted to see it over the current month, and then you click rolling, this is March now. When it turns into April, it'll automatically roll into that next period. You see as I make a change there, it dynamically makes the change. Of course, you want to choose the service boards. Very important that you want to display the information on. Decide if you want to see the child tickets. And of course, you can. This one you could just select the members, change the chart configuration to however you like. But this is hours worked by each member, billable and actual, in any selected time frame. Really cool panel.